Hello guys, greetings from Egypt. This is Muhammad talking to you. In this tutorial I'm gonna talk to you about the way to delete or drop a column or a row in a data frame that has null values. So let's suppose that we have the following data frame. It is called team. I created it using this code. Alright, you can look at it and find the way I did it. At first we imported two libraries, NumPy and Pandas. We use these shortcuts to make it easier for us to use them when it is needed. So let's suppose that we have the following data frame. It is called team and it consists of 4 rows and 3 columns, as shown in front of you. And it expresses the information of your team in a company, their names, age, and country. But sadly, some information are missed. So you don't know the country of the employee called Ali. You don't know where he is from, and also the age of Omar, and etc. Right? So let's suppose they want to delete the information or delete the information of the employee that has a NaN value, that has a missing information, like this row. This row we have a missing value about the country of Ali. We don't know his country, so we want to delete it. And also we will delete the third row because the age of Omar is missing. It is unknown. And the same way as for the last row, Ahmed. So how to do this? So if you want to delete all the rows in a data frame that has null values, you can do this. Write this syntax: team is the name of the data frame, dot attribute drop NaN. Drop means to delete something. NaN is a shortcut for NaN values. Open and close parentheses. You can write x is equal 0, or you can delete it because it is the x is 0 by default. So if you want to run it, Shift Control. Here it is. We have only the first row because the information in it is complete. There are no missing values inside it, but the last 3 rows have missed values, so we deleted it. But if you, so this is the first something that we want to do. So, but what if we wanted to delete the columns that has NaN values? The first column, which is called name, doesn't have a NaN value, right? But the second column, age, has a NaN value. So if we want to delete this column, and the third column also because it has 2 NaN values. How to do this? We can use it writing the following code. We will write team, the name of the data frame, dot drop NaN, and we will write the axis equal 1. We have 2 axes in this data frame, or in any data frame. This axis and this one, 2 axes. This axis is 0 and this one is 1. So what does it mean when you draw NaN values by checking the axis which is equal to 0? It means that you want to check the first row. If there is a NaN value, you delete it. You drop this row and you move next to the second one. If it has a NaN value, delete it. So this row is deleted. It doesn't appear in here. The row that has the next to is also deleted because it has a NaN value over here, and also the third one is deleted. So we want to check by columns. If the column has a NaN value, you want to delete it. Just only the column that has complete values will appear in your data frame. So you write x is equal 0. You check by the x which is equal 1. Right? So you go this way. horizontally. You check the name, then the age, then the country. After that, you get only the columns that has complete values. Control Shift, Control Enter, not Control Enter, but Shift Enter. You press Shift Enter. We have only the first column because it is the only column that has complete values. But what if we wanna delete the rows that has NaN values, but check using the second column? So we will check by the second column, the column whose name is age. If there is a NaN value inside it, we will delete the row. So the third value inside the column called age is NaN value. So we want to delete its row. This row, complete row, will be completely deleted. How to do that? We will use a new attribute called subset. How to write the syntax? And first we write the name of the data frame, team.drop NaN, open and close parentheses, and use the attribute subset equal, and you write the names of the columns you want to check by, right? We want to check with in this matrix. We want to check by the column called age. Control Shift Enter. So the column age has only one NaN value. So we will delete the whole row. So only the rows with indices 0, 1, 3 will be the ones which is printed 0, 1, 3, and here it is 0, 1, 3. Alright, so this is for today's tutorial, and in the second video I'll try to show you guys a lot of methods to delete and manipulate your data frame and delete NaN values using these different attributes. See you later.